This is a bottle of AI-generated perfume. That's right, even scents can now be created by AI. This project comes from a startup called OSMO, and here's how it works. First, they chop up a plum and place it into a container, capturing the scent molecules released by the fruit. Then, this container is put into a specialized machine that extracts the air from inside, which now contains the plum's scent molecules. Using their advanced AI model, OSMO analyzes these molecules one by one to determine their recipe. Once they've cracked the molecular recipe, they can actually recreate the exact same plum scent in the lab, and the recreated scent smells identical to the original. This basically means we've given computers the ability to smell. The company's founder, Alex, is actually a Harvard PhD in olfactory neuroscience. His ultimate goal is to digitize scents, upload them to the cloud, and reproduce them anywhere using special devices, essentially enabling long-distance scent transmission. But that's not all. OSMO has also launched an online tool called Inspire, where you can literally input a text description or upload an image of a scent you're imagining, and the AI will generate a full-blown perfume description along with a recipe to actually produce it. Of course, if you want to smell it for real, you'll have to pay a fee to get it made. In the future, this tech could be a game changer for VR gaming, movies, and entertainment, making them even more immersive. Imagine watching a video on your phone and actually being able to smell what's happening on screen.